Hello everybody, welcome. Now today I'm going to be doing, where are they? Chicken skewers. Now everything I've got here, I've got in my fridge. So a lot of it's got to be used up, so I'm going to use it all. I'm going to do chicken skewers in it. Mix and match job, bit of everything out of the fridge. But I'm going to do it in the air fryer. Now I've prepared a lot of the stuff because it's easier to do. So let me show you what I've done. Well, I've cut myself a chicken breast up. I've also got myself some chicken larders, which have got to be used up, so I'm going to use them. I've got myself half a red onion, just chopped up into little square things. I've got myself some cherry tomatoes. I've also got myself some button mushrooms and some sliced mushrooms. I've also got myself some crispy potato slices and some herby potatoes. And what I've done, I've put myself some skewers in some water just to get them soaked up first. It's going to be quite simple on this, as I say. It's just stuff that's in my fridge that's got to be used. The only thing I bought was the bamboo sticks. That's it really. So let's build it, get it in the air fryer and see what it comes out like. So first things first, let's get the skewers out. They're wet enough now. And we're just going to pile it all on, I suppose, and stick it together. Now I haven't seasoned the chicken because what I'm thinking is when it's nearly cooked, I might brush it with a bit of honey, because I've got some honey. I might brush it to get it that sweet taste. So that's what I might do. Let's open all this up anyway, get it all open. I'm not really bothered if they don't look the same. I just want to get it piled on and just have a mess around. The only thing I'm concerned about really is the tomatoes. Because will they wilt and just fall off? We'll find out. See, on a barbecue you can check it out, can't you? You can see. I don't know if I'll get these larders on. I should do, I suppose. Get a few of them on, so quite a bit of larder. What next? Mushroom. That's going to fall off there. Let's get a double in. Oh yeah, another piece of chicken. A potato. Oh yes. So they can't be very big. I've had to cut them in half to get them in the air fryer. So, but so you can also do them under the grill, can't you? Or on a barbie if you're having a barbie. But there they are. I've done 3, so I'll probably only get 3 in. I don't want to pack the pan too much. So I've done 3. I'm going to put a bit of one spray on them. Got any left? Like so. Right, the air fryer's warmed up now. So I'm going to get these in. Try and get them in the right way round. Hopefully I can get 3 in. 1. 2. I'm going to get another one in there. Should do, get it in the middle. Put that way. 3. Lovely. Well, I'll turn them at halfway round. I don't know how long I'm going to go in for. Maybe 15 minutes or something, 20 minutes. I'll leave it on, put it on 15, and I'll keep checking. Right, they've got about 5 minutes left, I think. Looking nice. So I'm going to put some honey on them now. So I'm going to get them out, if I can. They're going to be boiling hot. See, the tomatoes have stayed, that's a surprise. And I want to put some honey on. Where's my thing? Get a bit of honey on it. Just give it that sweet taste. Then I'll get them back in for the last 5 minutes and it should be done. Right, they're all honeyed up now. Well, they're looking nice, aren't they? Lovely. Get them back in, if I can. I'm burning my fingers. Bring you back when they're done. Well, they should be about done now, I think. They've been another 4 minutes. Oh yes, look at them. Smell gorgeous. Is the chicken cooked though? Should be. Been in 15 minutes, so let's get them out. 1. Hot, 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 hot. 2. I'll try a bit of chicken on the end of one of them and see. 3. Let's turn them around so you can see them properly. Surprised them tomatoes have stayed on. They're gorgeous, aren't they? Oops. Oh, well nice. Right, let's try a little bit of this chicken on the one of them just to see. Make sure it's cooked. Oh yes, it's all cooked. Can't see that, can you? It's all cooked. That's hot. Put that back on there. It's all cooked. Right, I'll let them cool down for a second. We'll have a taste test. What do you think then, eh? Look quite nice, don't they? Leftover fridge stuff. So if you haven't got an air fryer, you can always do them under your grill. So let's have a taste test. Let's try the potato first. Start from that end. It's going to be boiling hot, I know that. Potatoes are not quite cooked. A couple more minutes, I think. Little bit hard in the middle of the potato. But oh well. A couple of minutes on the potatoes, I suppose. That'll have been perfect. Chicken we know is done. That honey makes it taste better. Mushroom. Lovely sweet mushroom. Bacon bits. And the pepper. The onion. A lot of maple syrup bacon, that tastes lovely. Tomato, all juicy look. You can't beat tomatoes fried. That's gorgeous. Now the potatoes, whatever they're called, potato slices. Wow, they're lovely, they are, them potato slices in there. And then the chicken again. Oh wow, that's nice. The only thing that let that down was the potato. It wasn't quite cooked. For these potatoes you put in the microwave. I think it's about 8 minutes, I think. So maybe if you put them in for 5 minutes, you can soften them up a bit first. But then would they fall off the skewer? But they're gorgeous. Simple leftover food. Just showing about the potato. Couple minutes longer. Well, there you go, something nice and simple. And them skins, them potato skins are gorgeous with the honey. They're lovely. There you go, some simple leftover kitchen stuff. So if you do like content like this, I'm the Old Food Guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, See you later. Bye-bye. Have a bit more. And them tomatoes, wow. Gorgeous, look at all the juice on that tomato. Bye-bye.